So, andito tayo sa Avita Centera to check this new foreclosed condo unit. So, this is the unit. 1 bedroom, around 36 square meters. Bathroom niya, very spacious. Then kitchen, over and under cabinets. Yan. This is around 6 million. Ito yung kwarto niya. Facing city view, Mandaluyong. Yan. Ganda ng view, oh. And EDSA yung baba niya. Hindi naman ganun kaingay. Yan. Kasi mataas po tayo 20th floor. So, ito yung view niya from your living and dining area. Ayan. That's EDSA. Ganda ng lighting. So, this is available in cash or at least 10% down payment and then 90% balance, bank financing plus taxes and fees. As is where is po tayo dito and first come first serve basis. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. Along EDSA lang po tayo and malapit tayo sa MRT Boni and Shaw Boulevard Station. Then malapit na rin po tayo sa Greenfield District, walking distance lang, and sa Makati and BGC. So again, if you are interested, message us directly. And one good thing about this unit also, meron po siyang kasamang parking.